everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning about location of a place. Okay, so I learned location of a place and it's so interesting. I hope that you find it interesting too. Let me share my screen and let's get started. Location of a place. So, what is location of a place? Location of a place tells where a place is situated. There are two ways you can tell it: relative location and absolute location. What is relative and absolute location? Relative location describes where a place is located using other places nearby. For example, this is my house. My friends want to know where my house is located relative to the swimming pool. Suppose each block is 1 mile. So, my house, where it's located relative to the swimming pool, is 1 mile west from the swimming pool. See? If I make a compass, my house is on the west side from the swimming pool. Okay, that's what relative location is. Let me give you one more example. Here's the school. My friends now want to know where my house is located relative to the school. I would say that my house is located 2 miles east from the school. So, let me draw a compass again. See? My house is on the east side from the school. Okay, now what's absolute location? Absolute location refers to a specific fixed point on Earth's surface, but it can be anywhere too. Like, did you know that absolute location never changes, but relative location does? Because it depends on what you're relating to. So absolute location doesn't change, like my home address. It says the street, city, and state name. Let's learn more about absolute location of a place. Absolute location is the latitude and longitude of the place. So what is lines of latitude and lines of longitude? Lines of latitude run in an east to west direction. Lines of longitude run in a north to south direction. Here's an image of Earth with lines of latitude. See, they run in east to west direction. Did you notice something? Yes, all the lines of latitude are parallel. See, they're parallel to each other. They are measured in degrees, minutes, and seconds. Suppose I take the number 50 and there's a zero shape on top of it, or a circle shape. I'm going to say the number and then I'm going to say degrees. So because if it has a zero shape or a circle shape, then it's known as degrees. So the number, then degrees. Like I have here, 50 degrees. I'm going to take the number 55 there's one dash on top of it that means minutes. So 55 minutes. Now I'm going to take the number 47. If it has two dashes on top of it, that means seconds. So say the number and then seconds. Like I have here, 47 seconds. The middle line of latitude in the middle of Earth is called the equator. It measures 0 degrees. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So for lines of latitude, it goes from 0 degrees to 90 degrees on both sides. What I mean is, see, the equator, and on the top, see, it's 90 degrees north, 0 to 90 degrees south. S stands for south, and N stands for north. Now here's an image of Earth showing lines of longitude. They run in a north to south direction. The middle line is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. It also measures 0 degrees. Here you see on this side, on the left side of the prime meridian or Greenwich meridian, you can see degrees and a W. The W stands for west. Now, on the right side of the prime meridian says the degrees and then E. The E stands for east. So, the prime meridian, the lines of longitude go 0 degrees to 180 degrees on both sides. Doesn't go 0 to 90 degrees. It goes 0 to 180 degrees on both sides. Here's the front and back image of Earth's lines of longitude. See? Let's take the prime meridian as 0 degrees, prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. See? 30, 60, 90, and on the back it's 90, 120, 150, and the international date line, as you can see, says 180 degrees. So 0 to 180 degrees, like a full circle, 0 on the front side to 180 on the back side. All right, a mixture of latitude and longitude equals Earth's grid, which is a series of squares. Earth's grid helps find the absolute location of a place. Now let's use what we learned to find absolute location of places. We're going to find the absolute location of Chicago first. Here's Chicago. First, we have to find the latitude, which is kind of like someone laying down. Laying down latitude. To memorize latitude, it's laying down latitude. For longitude, it's longitude. Say it with me. Laying down latitude and longitude. Great job. So we have to find latitude and then longitude. So let's find the latitude first. So as I said, Chicago is right here. It's in between 41 degrees north and 42 degrees north. As you can see, it's not quite at 42 degrees, but it's it's past 41 degrees. Since it's past 41 degrees, we're going to write 41 degrees as our latitude. If we divide the 41 degrees to 42 degrees north into 60 equal parts like this, then it'll become minutes. Each part will become minutes. So the part which Chicago is on or near to in the exact measurement is 52 minutes. Because see, the halfway point is 30 minutes, as we know. But it's more than 30 minutes, see? But as we know, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So, 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. And 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes would equal to 1 degree. So if the 42 degree line, if we divide into 60 equal parts, it'll become, if it was 60 minutes, it'll become 42 degrees. But as we know that Chicago is not quite at 42 degrees. So it's, as we know, it's less than 60 minutes, but more than 30 minutes. The exact measurement of it would be 52 minutes. If we divide the 52-minute part into 60 equal lines, then the exact measurement which Chicago is on or past to would be 41 seconds. Okay, we finished finding the latitude. Now let's start with the longitude. 87, the longitude of Chicago is between 87 degrees west and 88 degrees west. So if it's in between, we know that Chicago is past 87 degrees, but not quite past 88 degrees. So what should we write? 88 or 87? That's correct. Since it's past 87 degrees, we're going to write 87 degrees as our longitude. Now if we divide the 87 degrees and 88 degrees into 60 equal parts, like this, then the exact measurement would be 37 minutes. We divide the 37-minute part into 60 equal pieces. The exact measurement of that would be 47 seconds. Here's the absolute location of Chicago. We did it. This is longitude. So we did it. We found the absolute location of Chicago. Here's the absolute location. 41 degrees, 52 minutes, 41 seconds north for latitude. And for our longitude, it's 87 degrees, 37 minutes, 47 seconds west for our longitude. Let's find the absolute location of another place. See? Oh, and remember what I said about Earth's grid. See? If we put a mixture of latitude and longitude together, they make Earth's grid. And that's how it helps us find the absolute location of places, like we did to Chicago. Okay, now let's find the absolute location of Los Angeles. It's in California, which, as you can see, it's right here in the map. Okay, so where Los Angeles is right here. We had to find the latitude first, don't we? Okay, so you might say, is on 34 degrees latitude line, but it's not. It's actually a little bit above the 34 degrees north latitude line. So since it's still past 34 though, since it's a little bit above, but definitely less than 36 degrees north. So since it's past 34 degrees north, we're going to write 34 degrees. And it's, if we divide the 36, here's the 35. So if you divide the 35, if you divide that into 60 equal parts, then it'll each become minutes, and the minutes is equal to the exact measurements of minutes is equal to 1 minute. Okay, now for seconds, if we divide that into 60 equal parts, then it would mean 94 seconds. So close to 34 degrees north, huh? Yeah, it was pretty close. Now for our longitude. For our longitude, Los Angeles, as we can see, is past 118 degrees, but not past 120 degrees. So since it's past 118 degrees, we have to write 118 degrees for our longitude. Now for the minutes, we're going to divide this is into 60 equal parts. Okay? So if we do that, the exact measurements of the minutes would be 41 minutes. If we divide the 41 minute line into 60 equal parts, the exact measurement for seconds would be 8 seconds. So that's the absolute location of Los Angeles. 34 degrees, 1 minute, 94 seconds, 118 degrees for our longitude, 118 degrees, 41 minutes, and 0.08 seconds. I could just say 8 seconds for our longitude. Okay, so now, guys, it's your turn to find the latitude and longitude of these cities in India. Also, I want you to find if it's north, south, east, or west. See, right here, nobody's written where if it's north, south, east, or west. So can you help us figure out that? Thank you, everybody, for listening and helping me with the India cities. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, comment down below on anything you need or want me for a presentation to make. And I hope you enjoyed. I'll make a video soon and see you later, guys. Bye. I'll see you soon. Keep it great. Stay healthy, stay safe, and I'll see you later. Bye.